Young men and women with shaved heads in their white shirt and jeans, all 270 of them taking on the challenge to pass the candidate soldier course at Camp Kapinpin in Rizal. May's shoes are muddy from all the strenuous exercises. She's all sweaty and beat, but she pushes on, fierce and fearless. She wants to be a soldier, just like her father, who was killed by Abu Sayyaf when she was just 2 years old.
Yung papa ko po kasi ma'am, bali na-ambush po siya ma'am, doon po sa Basilan po ma'am, year 1992 rin po ma'am. At gusto ko rin po sumali sa sundalo ma'am kasi po gusto ko pong makatulong sa bayan po ma'am. At maano ko po yung kakayahan ko ma'am na ipakita po sa buong bayan na kaya-kaya ko rin ma'am kahit na ako ay isang babae lamang.
It's Joanna's childhood dream to be in the army, but she ended up getting a degree and became a nurse for 3 years. Now, she's ready to follow her passion.
Isa po ito sa naging unang ambisyon ko po na pumasok sa sundalo. Isa po itong parang magandang halimbawa ng trabaho po na makakatulong.
The military course under the Philippine Army 2nd Infantry Jungle Fighter Division will take 6 months.
Sa pagsasanay na ito, huhubugin kayo upang maging ganap na sundalo na nauunawaan ang inyong responsibilidad at handang gampanan ang iaatas na tungkulin sa anumang oras.
Successful candidates will graduate as privates with a gross monthly salary of 26,000 pesos.
Yung serbisyo, kasi ito yung kailangan natin sa mga youth natin ngayon, sa mga sundalo natin, na nandito sila para maglingkod sa bayan and they are willing to sacrifice their lives.
The fighting in Marawi goes on, and for these aspiring soldiers, their role in society is clearer now more than ever.
Sinong gustong ma-assign sa Mindanao? Baba. Sinong gustong ma-assign sa Marawi?
Camila Abadisio, CNN Philippines.